Welcome everyone. So today this session talks about an overview for enterprises, how to extend their business in China through the Alibaba Cloud. So the first question is why they need to go China? Why more and more international companies are eager to enter the Chinese market? So let's look at this picture. It's captured in the People's Square on a festival day. So you can see a crowd of people there, and almost everyone are taking a mobile phone in their hands and using it to take photos or videos. So it indicates that there's a huge amount of internet users in China today. The exact number is 731 million, which is equivalent to Europe with 739 million, and much, much more than the US, which is 326 million internet users. So this is a whole picture of the China retail marketplace in the 2017. That is more than 10 million active merchants and 55 million packages generated daily. And you see that more than 90% of the GMV come from the mobile, and 551 million active consumers. And the most important thing is the overall it has 547 billion GMV in USD in the 2017, with more than 22% of the growth. So this chart shows the retail e-commerce sales in China compared with in the US from the 2012 to now. So you see that the US sales has more than 176% growth from the 2012 to the 2016. And in comparison, China sales has more than 434% growth during the period. So as a result, you see that the retail e-commerce sales in China is almost the same within the US in the year 2013. But when the time goes to the 2016, the retail e-commerce sales in China is more than 2 times higher than in the US. So that also shows that the China's online marketing offers a very big opportunity to the world. And Alibaba, we have the major share of it. So when you're looking at the retail e-commerce GMV in the 2015, you see that the China sales with 672 billion USD long exceeded that of US, which is 343 billion US dollars in the 2015. And within the 672 billion GMV in China, Alibaba contributed with 476 billion US dollars. So Alibaba has the major share of it. We can see that. And today there's more than 20 business units in the Alibaba group, and Alibaba Cloud just running as a powerful engine to support all the other business units and provide technologies to support their growth. In the China public cloud market, we are proud to see that Alibaba Cloud takes the number one with about 74% of the market share. And also the Alibaba Cloud's annual revenue grows 100% to the US dollars 1.67 billion in the 2017 and gained over 1 million paying customers by the end of the June 2017. So on one hand, the China online market offers a big opportunities to the world, but on the other hand, we need to look at the Go China challenges and solutions. As the title shows here, when the foreigners mention China, they may say that she is beautiful but far away and complicated. In terms of a community in China, it's a long distance for a data packet to travel, and this will impact the connectivity performance and response time. So also since of the country size, there are 3 telecom operators, and they separated to the North China is Unicom territory, and in the southern China in the telecom territory. And secondly, from the regulation perspective, there's network security law, license for website e-commerce, the ICP, as well as the license for cloud providers, the IDC. So moreover, there's various public cloud providers and the CDN providers in China, like the China-oriented public cloud providers, Alibaba, Tencent, Baidu, and the overseas public cloud providers, AWS, Azure, and so on. So the China-oriented CDN providers, like the China Cache, China Net Center, and also the global players such as Ackman, CDN Networks, and the Edge Cast, and so on. And for the China Connect, we summarized the 3C proposition. And they are the cloud infrastructure, the compliance, and the third C for the comprehensive solutions. So the China Connect is a proposition that combines the Alibaba Cloud advantages to deploy in the cloud services and enable the business in China. First, let's look at the first C, that is cloud infrastructure. This is the cloud infrastructure services in and to China. So today we are Alibaba Cloud. We offer more than 100 services on the cloud. And so you can see that on the bottom, the infrastructure level, we have the global IDC, the multiple regions, and the available zones in regions. And also above that, we provided the fundamental services and categorized them in the computing services, the network services, the storage, and database services. And also we provide the advanced services, including the DevOps, the big data area, the application services, as well as the monitoring and security services. And for the international enterprises, normally their headquarters is located in one place and their business is running global. So Alibaba Cloud had this strong capability to support the international companies to connect to their base with unified experience. So for the global networking perspective, there's Express Connect and the CEN for the cloud enterprise network services to help you construct your global network connectivities. And from the solution perspective, there's cross-border solutions and hybrid cloud solutions. And in terms of the support, we provide the ICP support services to help with your China Connect business. So Alibaba Cloud, we have these strong capabilities in the global connectivity. We can provide our users with the unified experience in global. So based on the Alibaba Cloud, you will have a best-in-class network connectivity to China. The products like the Express Connect and the CEN provides the seamless connectivity across every region worldwide. So this chart just shows that through the Express Connect or the CEN, you can you will have your own global network connectivity. So that is because one-point access to the world. And today, Alibaba Cloud has many outstanding capabilities in various of the fields and far beyond the infrastructure. In the fundamental service level, we provide more than 100 products and classify them into fundamental categories such as computing, storage, database, network, and the domain and application services. And also compare with the other cloud service providers, Alibaba Cloud, we have our own competencies in the big data, AI, security, and the global connectivity areas. And furthermore, you can see that Alibaba Cloud has a lot of inside solutions as best practices to benefit our customers in different industries. And also we support them with the digital transformation by leveraging the Ali Group ecosystem. And the second thing is the compliance. for many global companies, when they need to enter the Chinese market, they will meet a lot of questions like the no local entities in China, no ICP license, and the data cross-border transfer compliance issues. So especially in the face of the China's overall security and compliance requirements, they frequently ask questions which network security risks have impact on my business, how to mitigate, and the penalties of the cybersecurity law, how companies being punished yet, and also like how the cybersecurity law will impact on my cross-border business, how to comply for the data collection, storage, and transformation, what's the requirement on the government law level. So based on these questions, normally we see that there's two points you need to take care about. The first one is the ICP related. It contains two parts. One the ICP failing, another one ICP licensing. So for all the website, if you need to set up a website in China, at least you need to have the ICP filing. And if the website is a commercial website, you also need to have the ICP license. And another key point is the cybersecurity law compliance. So it contains four key regulatory risks. So the first one is the network security. The second one is the content compliance. The third one is the PEI protection. And the last one is the data cross-border compliance. So if you need to extend your business in China, you need to concern about the cybersecurity law compliance. And for the Alibaba Cloud, we provide one-stop compliance services. You can see that it's also includes the related parts mapping with the ICP and the cybersecurity law. So basically, we provide the local business consulting for the local entity registration and ICP filing and ICP license consulting. And also meet with the cybersecurity law compliance. We provide the total solutions to ensure your business can obey with the cybersecurity law. So it's just combined with the Alibaba Cloud services as well as the consulting services. So to ensure your business can meet with the network security risk management, the data cross-border transfer risk management, and the personal information protection, as well as the information compliance. So, and the third C is the comprehensive solutions. So today, the enterprises, especially the big companies, are in such a transformation stage that from IT technology to the DT technology. So, and the Alibaba Cloud leverage our strong big data capabilities and apply it in the different industries. So you see that a lot of the companies they just from the IT technology driven economy to the DT technology driven economy. So the Alibaba Cloud, we have applied the big data technologies in different industries, and today we already have a lot of the solutions in the intelligent transformation, in the intelligent environment, in the intelligent security, intelligent medical, intelligent energy, intelligent education, such as a lot of the intelligent industry solutions. And we call it ET brand. So today we have the ET brands for the finance, ET brand for the tourism, the ET brand for the city, the industry brand, we call it, and the ET new retail brand. A lot of the ET brands just to apply the big data and AI technologies in the different industry. So here just for example, the first one is the Hangzhou City brand. So it's used the Alibaba Cloud's AI and deep learning technologies to support the Hangzhou City brand master plan. So this is to support the transportation departments helps them to ease the traffic congestion and provide the users with the real-time traffic recommendations and the travel routes. So we have the pilot in the Hangzhou Xiaoshan district, and at the first half year we see the increase in the traffic speed by 11%. And another case study is the integrated energy service provider with the GCL group. So this is also to apply the Alibaba Cloud's big data and AI technology to help to help the GCL to improve the proportion of the qualified products. So you can say since the 1 year's cooperation, the proportion of the qualified products has increased by 1%. Although it's just 1%, but for the GCL power, they have saved over tens of millions RMB per year. And besides those intelligent technologies, Alibaba Cloud, we can do more than just cloud. And we're also the part of the Alibaba ecosystem. So like shown on this picture, Alibaba Group has more than 20 business units, and they are categorized in 7 fields. For example, you can see that in the commerce fields, we have the Taobao, Tmall, Juhuasuan. Tmall is for the online brands and retail platform. Juhuasuan is group of buying platform, and also the Alibaba.com, the AliExpress, the Lazada, the Chuntao, and the Tmall Global. Those are all the commerce platform. And also we have the business units in the media and entertainment areas like the Youku, the Ali Music, Ali Sports, the UC, and also we have the services in the local services like the AMAP, like the Ali Trip, like the Koubei and the Ele.me. And besides that, we also have the services in the payment and financial services like the Alipay and the anti-financial services. We have the Semiannual logistics to provide intelligent logistics services. We have the Alimama to provide the marketing services and the data management platform. And the most important that we have the Alibaba Cloud to provide the cloud computing technologies and also to support all the other business units with the technology and to support their growth. So like shown in this picture, so Alibaba Cloud today, we can leverage in the Alibaba ecosystem and help your business in China a lot. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you.